YouTube? It's your girl Justina, and I'm back with another video. Oh, hey. Okay, let's get into it, bitch. Hold on, because you already know. OOTD and makeup. So, remember how I told y'all, like, I really can install lace fronts, like, perfectly? I just don't because, like, I don't like how, I don't know. I don't like looking like everybody else. I like doing my hair how I like it. So, every once, oh my God. Anyway. Every once in a while, I'll do my hair the way everybody else does it. But for the most part, bitch, no. I don't want to look like everybody else. You know, I want to look like me, the fuck? Okay, so, y'all been asking for this video, like, crazy. So, I'm finna give it to y'all. So, y'all want to know how to get rid of that gag reflex. Okay, and I'm here to tell y'all, okay? This is part 1. Y'all already know these are series. Part 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so, did I do my intros? Did I do my intro? What's good, YouTube? You understand? I'm back with another video. Hey. How y'all doing, my mooka butts? I didn't do that. Okay, anyway, so now, how to stop the gag reflex. Now, listen, this is one of the reasons why people don't like giving head. This is one of the reasons they don't like giving it, because, like, you really, like, who likes that? Nobody likes that. That shit's, especially if people have, like, a throw-up phobia. Oh, baby. It's not fun. Okay, so I'm finna tell y'all. I'm finna show y'all how I do it, because I could get like a whole down, all the way down here. If y'all don't believe me, go to my Twitter, PetiteDoll23. That part. Okay, anyway. All right, now we're gonna get right into it. All right, so now, 1, open and close your throat. I'm gonna show you right now how to do that. Okay, so I'm really gonna need y'all to pay attention. Okay, now, you need to do this when you're giving top. You need to, because it's like, okay, so, hold on. Okay, I need like a really good light so y'all can see like in it. Okay, so, that's closed, okay? Like, you see that? You see how there's no, that's open. Practice that in the mirror. Practice that in the mirror, okay? Because that's really important. That's important. That helps. That helps. Because if it's closed, oh, this is what I use, by the way. If it's closed, you're gonna be more likely to gag, and it's gonna be harder to go down. So practice that. You could see it in the mirror, okay? Like, I make that sound when I'm gawking. Fun fact. Okay, but yes, practice that. Open and close the throat, okay? That's really important. So when you obviously go all the way, it needs to be open. Straight up. All right, next, pressure point. There's a pressure point. See this? Boom. Okay? That helps. Why? I don't know, but it helps. It really it helps. Why? I don't know. Yes, when I heard it, because I heard it, and then I tried it, and I was like, oh shit, this definitely fucking works. Okay, next, don't breathe. Now, so when you're doing your regular 1, 2, 1, 2, now when you're ready to go all the way down, you need to not breathe. Open your throat and hold your breath. Hold your breath. Because if you're breathing through your nose, anything, you're more likely to gag. Don't breathe. Do not breathe. Every single time you're about to go down, hold your breath. Don't breathe. Now, one of the ways that I've helped myself not do it was by desensitizing my area, and I did that with a toy, okay? So I'm gonna need you to go get a toy, Amazon, a bendy one that feels realistic, okay? And practice on that every fucking day. I'm gonna need you to practice on that every day, and eventually it's gonna be gone. It's gonna be gone. Like, it's just like anything else that you do. Like, let's say I'm learning how to do fucking sit-ups, right? At first, I'm only gonna be able to do like a couple. But the more that I do it, the more sit-ups I'm gonna be able to do. It's the same thing. It's the same thing. So get something good and bendy and train with it, okay? Now, mental matters. Now, let me tell you something. So this helps me. Like, I'm my biggest cheerleader, right? I'm everybody's cheerleader, but I'm my biggest cheerleader the motherfucking most. So when I'm doing my da-da-da in my head, the only thing in my head is pleasing, right? I used to be a people pleaser for fucking ever. That shit died. But when it comes to, like, the bedroom, I'm still very much a pleaser. Like, I don't know why. I just get off from pleasing. It makes me happy. I love that shit. That's why I can slurp niggas out they sleep. Because I'm genuinely excited to do it. Anyway, mental, right? So like if I'm doing it, right, like I'm talking myself through it. I'm like, nah, girl, you could do better than that. Like you could go deeper than that. Like, let's go. Like I'll be like, yo, if you go deeper, he's gonna make this sound. You're gonna hear him say this. Like you're gonna, like, you really need to do stuff like that, and it hypes you up and it talks you through it. That part. Okay. Now he can help you train your throat. So like every size, every girth is different. So if you get a toy and stuff like that, it might be different than his actual length and girth. So it might not be any help to you. So you can have him help you specifically for his size and for his girth. I had to do that before because this man, oh Jesus Christ, some of these men be long and like double, and I'm just like, oh wow, who gave you all that? Anyway, so what I do, I had to do this with the guy that I was with for 4 years because that man was like a good 9 and it was insane. So what I did was I would dangle my head off the bed. You know, like when your body's on the bed and your head is dangling off, right? So boom, this is the bed. Okay, boom, I'm like this. My head's dangling off. They have to stand above you, tilt your head a little bit, and they have to like, that's going to help for their size, specifically for their size. TT. Now, is it easy? No. But will it get easier? Yes. Believe in yourself, my love. Okay, next. Numbing spray. I've never used it, right? But I know for a fact it works. It works. Basically, obviously, like it numbs. So then like the gag reflex is kind of not there. You're kind of not feeling it. But I heard that it might numb his, so that you might have to take that with a little, that's why I don't use that. That's why I kind of just was like, girl, you better tough it the fuck out. You mama ain't raised no bitch. The fuck? I'll be sucking these. Okay, my bad. I'm sorry. I'm a throat girl. I already know what I be doing. And you know what? I didn't even know I was a throat girl. I didn't know. I started getting told. And I'm like, what you mean this is the best you've ever had? Like, huh? Okay, anyway, now. Okay, so fun fact, liquor makes it worse. I'm here to tell you that right the fuck now. Because, like, I love drinking with, my man and then getting turned all types of way but loose. That's my favorite thing to do, right? So, like, liquor makes it worse. I'm letting you know right now because it thickens your saliva and it makes you a little gaggy. It's liquor. So I'm letting you know right now, liquor makes it worse. But there is a little superstar spot. That's what I call it, a little superstar spot. If you're not too lit and you're not too sober, oh baby, when I tell you there ain't a single gag reflex, I call it a super spot. Every person's different. You got to find that super spot. For me, it was like right before, right before the room starts spinning. That was mine. Okay, and the last one. Okay, deep throat advice. Listen, hold on. Okay, so now, when you are giving top regularly, right? And it's a lot harder to DT. Like, DT stands for deep urine, okay? It's a lot harder to DT, okay? When you're in the regular position, like whether he's standing up and you're on your floor or whether he's laying down and you're like that. So, let's say they're laying down like this, right? This is you. You're going to turn this way while you're giving them whatever. You could arch your back up so then they could, do their whatever, their 1-2s. But turn this way when you're giving it. Like, let's say I have a man. This is his head. He's laying this way, right? I'm sitting beside him and I'm turned like this. Arched up, do all that so they can have their fun, whatever. But I'm like this because most of the time it curves up that way and that's the way your throat goes. So it's a lot easier. And you're a lot less likely to gag because it goes right under that little dingly ball. I want you to put that sling in the back of my throat. Okay, sorry. But yeah. So do that. That kind of avoids the little dingly ball at the top. Yeah. You're welcome. I love you so much, Mom. Look at us. And I I hope you enjoyed. This is part one. This is part one because y'all already know I got advice for days and years and centuries. But I love y'all so much. And I will see y'all in my next video. Peace. Oh, wait. Do I have any drama to tell y'all? I don't think so. Guys, I'm growing as a person. You want to know why? So one of the crazies, right, that be watching me, he gonna watch this. He said that he loved my YouTube videos because it be making him fucking laugh. How many fake... Whatever. This nigga's made like 85 Twitters. He's one of the reasons why I changed my number. Fuck. Anyway, and it's just like, it's been years. Like, when are you gonna let go? But you know what, guys? I'm growing, and I'm really fucking growing because it's just like, I wasn't mad. Usually, like, that shit pisses me off, and I'm mad for like a couple hours, but I wasn't mad. Like, when my old things hit me up, I'm not mad. Like, they don't even have that power over me anymore. I love that shit. I just be like, oh, okay, like, yeah, he missed me. I get it. And then, like, I go about my day, and I'm like, you know what? I hope they find somebody that'll slut them out the way I did. Love them better than me. Doubt it, but it happens. So I'm proud of myself. Like, I'm really growing, and I'm really fucking changing. Like, I'm in such good control of my emotions. Nobody can throw it off. That shit's amazing to me. Okay, I love y'all so much, and I'll see y'all in my next video. I think that's it. I don't really got no drama or nothing. I be chilling. And again, I'm uploading every day, so it's like when I upload, you know, some shit has happened. Yo, and remember how I told y'all, like, I haven't slept with anybody since, like, November, right? I feel like every time I come and say that, I jinx my fucking self, right? Because why? Now, mind you, this happened when I was ovulating, so... It ain't all my fault, right? So, I was sitting there, this is like, what, the day before yesterday or something like that, right? I get a DM. And this man is like, I'll fuck the shit out of you, right? Now, I get a lot of messages like that every day. A lot. But this man is fine. This man is fine. Oh, like, remember how I told you it was going to be somebody fine as fuck? Yeah, and he only 2 hours for me. Let's the fuck go. He's a tattoo artist. Fine. Fine as fuck. Oh, my God. So... he gonna come see me, spend a weekend with me. He said he's gonna bring me a present. I'm gonna fuck the shit out of him. Why? Because I haven't fucked nobody in a minute. Like, my sugar daddy don't count. I have not. Yo, it's up. It's up. And I know I was doing good. But guess what? No, I'm not. And he sent me a video of him. And the sound was on. And when I tell you this man sounds so... See, no, I'm being excited. I gotta go. Now I gotta go.